this place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world going bad.
All right, welcome back YouTube, project number 2 on the Sequoia. JR? That's still working good. I'm gonna bump out some brakes today on the front as I trip over something. So, get this done, get this started at least. Jesus, it's hot. So. This is gonna take 20 minutes. Just to jack this thing up. Should have done this at work. Hey?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Craftsman.
And then you're gonna do both sides. Take both sides out. No?
I don't do one side at a time.
Well, then you could have jacked it over to the left or right. Easier.
Yeah.
Now you got all the mud. You might as well just put the things out of there. Oh, how you going?
Whoa. Question is,
You got that emergency brake on?
Oh no. Get you some of that.
I gotta do it. I show you where to put them.
Jack it up.
Is it gonna be?
It's working though.
110 pounds?
310.
Well, they're nice of them to go through things. And
Yeah.
Are you setting it?
Maybe.
Hit your lights?
Yeah.
What are
Jesus.
you gonna do?
Who put these on?
How many does it take?
I don't know.
Oh, I guess it's kind of a little thing.
Yeah, it's not the biggest one that they have. It's working though.
110 pounds.
310. Ricky probably put it on with his Milwaukee, or his air impact. Hey?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
What was that?
A 35-inch tire?
I felt so bad.
I don't know.
I don't think I have any. Well, I'm all covered in rocks and I don't have much for weeds. That could be a thing. Plus, my whole front yard is covered, like I said, in plastic. Then they put the rock down. I was gonna put on like 200 pounds. You get it?
No.
You know my truck is like 210.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. That's what it is. You're gonna hit a socket and a big 3/4 inch.
Yeah. Big guy was doing it. So let's get this other one out. Let's find a good camera placement for you. Well, just give me a minute here. I'm trying. I'm trying to show the camera, and they're bothering me. I'm trying to show them how I'm doing this.
The bees.
No, my fans.
You got a fan?
Maybe.
Do you have a bigger impact? You using a great big one?
Yeah.
They still didn't take it?
Nope.
Wow.
But it could be because of the angle. Yeah.
You looked in the whole truck like
Do I have a bigger? Do I have a breaker? I got a breaker.
Yeah, you got a breaker bar.
I definitely have a breaker bar.
Do you have a little, nice.
I didn't need to hold that. It's right there.
Ah. Ooh, what are the rest of your sockets? Where's your 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12?
A good question. They're probably all on the project car. Oh, don't tell me.
What? Want bit?
No.
Need my help?
Got it.
I think I'm getting hungry.
Same. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm in the meal. Oh, holy crap. Going from those junkers to these bad boys. Some power stops. Yeah. Woo! Woo! And some Wagner pads. Hey, if you're ever having a problem where your lug nut, you lose your key, look at this. Hey YouTube, tell me if anybody else ever knew this. So you're supposed to have a key for these, right? 17 millimeter. Doesn't move at all. Oh, I got a little play, but still. Jesus. All right, back on the camera.
Camera?
Yeah.
I'm back on the brakes.
Well, that too.
You can spin them out.
You know.
Those? Well, that was weird. Do you need to take the top off your...
I probably.
I never do. I just let the shit squirt back. The stuff squirt back in there.
So I should theoretically be able to put this on.
And then slip the brakes in?
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, these are some weird pads. Huh.
Weird?
Pads are weird. Yeah, right? Look at that. Right in. A couple of clips. Dirty girl. Bada bing, bada boom.
Lock threaded things.
Oh, yeah.
Well, yeah, because then you don't have to worry about it.
Look at them puppies. Got some new pads, got some rotors, got a new tool cart. Thank you, JR.
Gotta put the drawer back in.
Well, yeah, I need the drawer. Brakes are done, kind of. Gotta go set them in. But look at that. They look good. Little slotted and drill. I'm a race truck now, baby. Ain't nobody catching this thing except for everybody. I mean, Jared might have some troubles in that Tundra is. He's got less horsepower. I got VVTi, baby. About 10 or 20 horsepower difference. I also weigh probably more than his truck does. So, but stay tuned. Definitely have more to come. Thanks for watching this one. Probably didn't help anybody learn anything on how to do brakes on a Sequoia, but at least it's there. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good one.